Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are going to talk about the life of an eagle. An eagle normally flies in a cycle to conserve energy, taking a brief chance to enjoy the benefit of thermal to effectively rest in air before resuming their onwards migration. The wind pressure helps them glide swiftly without any energy and let them lock in a fixed position regardless of the violent storm winds. They are basically built to hunt. Once the prey is located, they dive at a gradual incline and catch the prey with their powerful talons, inflicting a vice versa like killing grip. They fly off carrying their prey, which often weigh half as much as an eagle. The last beak used for tearing into the prey. They have an excellent long vision. They can see clearly about 8 times as far as human can, allowing them to spot and focus on a prey or other animal at a distance of about 2 miles. This means that they can see from 20 feet away that can we only see from 5 feet away. Beginning with their cranial structure, eagles have fixed eye. They have exceptional vision with a visual acuity index of 2/5, allowing them to see prey from a distance of up to 2 miles, which is equated to 3.2 kilometers. They do not fight the prey on the ground because the eagle can easily lose to the prey. As various species and ages of primate are taken, primate prey varies in size. All junior African monkey weigh in an excess of 2 kg in adulthood. African primates weigh under 2 kg, are almost entirely arboreal and however, such primates are usually allies of lemur rather than monkeys. They are occasionally also be hunted by crowned eagles. Their diet is principally mammal, reptile, and birds, taken both alive as carried. Main live prey consist of medium-sized prey such as rabbit, hare, cape, bushback species of an antelope in South African Saharan grouse, chicks, and primate. The diet of coastal bird includes gull and other seabirds. There are mostly two types of eagle: the ground eagle, which possesses unusual large talon and strong leg and may kill by crushing the skull. The eagle is also ferocious. Some ragged from beneath a nest show the remains of large male scooty manga bay weighing 11 kgs or 20 lbs. The other type is the happy eagle. Has a wingspan of 178 to 224 centimeters or 69 to 88 inches. American crown eagle has a small wingspan of 1.51 to 1.81 meters or 59 inches to 71. Though one adult female was recorded within a wingspan of 1.9 meters in August 19, 2022. The eagle has the longest lifespan of all species. It can live up to 70 years, but to reach this age, it must make a very difficult life. However, They continue hiding in trees, hanging on twigs as they locate their prey. They mostly hijack a monkey or a small ape at a very high speed. However, the ape have developed a habit of hiding when they saw it approach. This makes it difficult for them to hunt, but once they have targeted their prey, it's very difficult for them to miss. However, these strong talons makes them easier for hunting and grabbing their prey. Once they hunt, they take the small to their young ones for the feed. However, the animals that are being hunted by these eagles are very wise and they have a high sensing of the distance, even more than 2 kilometers distance of an eagle. When the eagle is stuck on the ground, it can't do anything since the ground is not its fighting ground. This bird feeds on flesh of various animals and primate apes or monkey, the smaller, the young ones. And once it's surrounded, then it can't do anything.